So now I want to show you one from my mods with T9x or FlySky Th9x mod about battery inside. It's not only about change of a battery, because system of battery in Th9x or FlySky Th9x, I think it's a very weak point of all radio. Yes, because this is really horrible. So I use for many years without any problems in many radios this or similar LiPol 3-cell battery. This is transmitter battery. It means it has two leads for voltage, for charging and for connecting in transmitter, and of course balance leads, balance wires. But it's not only, this movie is not only about changing of battery, it's about changing of connectors. I will use known MPX connectors with 6 pins. It means plus will use 3 pins and minus will use 3 pins. It means, I think it's for safety use of transmitter, very good. Next you need empty small box from Th9x. I think this is this you can buy everywhere in world, and some about 10 centimeters of wires. I will show you later. So now I will open a radio, remove battery holder, original battery holder from transmitter, and I will show you later what will next step. Now on inside, from inside of radio, on bottom side of battery space for battery, box for battery, mark with pen mark line for cutting. Yes, something like that. It's not very important, something like that. Only what is important, don't make this line, this cut too on edge, you know. Yes, keep some space from edge for better gluing later. Yes, so something like that. Yes, these original wires you can keep, or you can remove. It's your choice. Yes, it's not problem with this. And now I will make a hole. Why I want to make a hole? I want a space for more space for wires, for battery wires, and of course for MPX connector. Yes. So now I will make a hole. I will use standard Dremel, nothing special. So, hole is on right place, and now we will solder new wires, new wire for battery on new place, on right place. But we must first time we must prepare this new wire with connector. We will start with preparing of solder point for new wires. This is minus, this is plus, this is minus. Here we will solder a new wire for plus, red wire, and somewhere here we will prepare place for, it means remove color and lock. Now we will solder black wire, minus. Yes, so we will remove color and we will prepare the wires. I use these wires from King. This is standard number is 20 AWG, 20 AVG, AWG wire, and this connector I will cut. Yes, I need only wires from this. This is right place, right length. Length is about, it's not very important, yes, but length is about 10 centimeters. Yes, 10 centimeters of wires. So I will cut wire and I will solder it on male MPX connector. Red on plus, of course, and black on minus. After soldering, soldering, I don't know right word, I will isolate it with hot glue, and in time for cold hot glue I will prepare soldering points with hot iron. I will show you practically. So wires are on right place. Again, plus red wire on middle point or middle pin from this three, and minus black wire is here, for example. Of course, you can solder it on everywhere where is ground, where is minus. What is very important, you must be sure then that this middle point, middle wire or middle point is not connected with any from these two pins on sides. Yes, because this is plus and this is minus and this is minus. Yes, be sure that your wire is only on this middle pin. Yes, if you are not sure, check it with a multimeter, because if you will have some short connection after you connect battery on this connector, you will see here nice but dangerous fireworks. Yes, so again, plus only here. This and this are separate pins with minus. Yes, and wires are glued with hot glue on right place, and connector here. Yes, MPX male. You can see where is it. Something like that. It's not absolutely important. Something like that. This is movie more for inspiration, not for any exact, exact instructions. Yes. So this part we finish with this. What next? In next step, we will prepare cover of this hole from empty box from Th9x, and we will on this battery we will solder second path of MPX connector female. Yes, again red wire red wire on plus and black wire on minus. Yes, battery for transmitter has two main wires plus balance connector. We will keep this servo connector for charging, for charger, and this connector we will remove. I will cut wires here. But what is very important, please do not cut this wire in one time. Yes, because if you will cut it one time, you will make short connection, and again you will see nice but dangerous fireworks. No. First time, cut. For example, red wire, only one wire, red wire, solder it on connector. In next step, cut second wire and solder it on connector. After this, I will isolate with hot glue, and in next step I will glue cover in the right place, and it will be all. Yes, it's not very difficult mode. So let's go. So that's all. Cover is on right place. We are almost done, but one small, I forgot for it, one small thing. Because this box is very on side of radio, we need on other half of radio, on this side, we need to remove with some scissors or etc. We need to remove these two small pieces of plastic, these small consoles or holders, I don't know what is exactly, but these two, minimum is this one, probably this two, yes. You can close radio without this removing of the small consoles, but if you remove it, it will be much better without any physical force, strength force, brutal force. So I will show you it from near distance. This, yes, this remove and this remove, and it will be okay. So I will remove it now. I will close the radio and I put inside a battery, and we will try if it will be works. So, how you can see it works. Battery is inside with a lot of space. This MPX connector, it's not very easy plug in, yes, but you will make it only one time, yes, because you don't need this connector more. If is this battery okay, this connector can be plugged in here, because on charge, for charging, you have this second connector, second cable with servo connector, and of course with balance connector. About charging with battery inside radio, some people says it's very dangerous. I don't think, yes, but of course it's your choice, because transmitter battery I will charge 1C, 1 capacity maximum, in this case 2.5 amperes, 2.5 amperes. Maximum, maybe only 2 amperes, because you will charge probably 1 per 2 weeks, maybe more. And when I charge one time per 2 weeks for about 30 or 40 minutes, because this battery I will not discharge it completely, yes, but only for, I don't know, 1/2. And if I will charge for 30 or 40 minutes per 2 weeks, it's nothing difficult charging with battery near me, under my side, and of course during charge I will control if all 3 cells are okay with same voltage, and of course if any cell will be with lower voltage, I will change immediately battery. But in my Th9x Th9x, T9x, I don't know, T9x. In my T9x I have Rhino battery, 3 years old, and this battery is without any problems. All 3 cells are with exactly same voltage, and only capacity is a little bit smaller, about 2 ampere hours. But of course it's your choice. If you will charge your battery pack inside of radio, it's your choice, yes or no. So we have here a lot of space, and we can close battery. We can close battery without any dangerous for wires and battery inside. So that's all.